na uria wikaine ta Pastor Dorcas Gachagua ni athiete na mbere na kugatia Kenya bali na wira munene wa gutigirira ati ni mathaitira maria maturigiceirie. Dorcas akiaria kana kigomano-ini kia ugaruruku wa riera ni athiete na mbere na kuonania ati bururi wa Kenya no guone kunyitana hamwe na mabũrũri matiganite niguo gutigirira ati kigomano giki ni kiagia na umithio kumana na kuhurana na ugaruruku wa riera. Gukiri uguo ni athiete na mbere na gutariria ati tabarĩra iria ciambikitwo na makiria ni thirikari ya President William Ruto mari na muoroto wa gutigirira ati ni mahanda miti bilioni 15 gwa kahinda ka miaka 10 yukite ni undu mugutigithiriria kana uguteithiriria maundu meri. Wa mbere ni gutigirira ati mbeũ njethi ni magia na mawira, na wa keri ni gutigirira ati ni twahurana na ugaruruku wa riera.
We heard from the spirit.
Africa is speaking. Africa is making decisions and acting against this existential threat, and Kenya has found itself at the forefront of the global discourse on climate change. This presents a remarkable opportunity for Africa to actively engage to this critical conversation. I do believe it is time that we go and plant. If each one of us was to plant 3 trees, I am sure we will be getting to a place where we can say there is an action on climate change. Within the border, consequently, we must harness the potential of the green growth as a means to generate employment opportunities for the youth and ensure prosperity of the future generations. With Africa burgeoning youthful population and the guidance of the esteemed leaders assembled here in this very venue and led by our First Lady of the Republic of Kenya, Her Excellency Rachel Ruto, I am confident that we will make significant investment in the green economy. This will not only address the levels of unemployment, but also alleviate poverty in all its manifestations in alignment with the Sustainable Development Goal number 1.
Kiu kiri duko ya gatatu ni ria duko ya muthiana kuria kirehete hamwe a President makiria ya 21 kuma mabũrũri matiganite ma gĩtarũ kia Afrika